God bless. My boy DJ. Yeah, I met some scriptures. Bible. I'ma say Isaiah. Read on Isaiah. Yeah, man. I have to make a joyful Isaiah. Yeah, me I say no. Lord, I'm a shepherd. All of my friend them a Balaam. We know this so be a God, we know Balaam. We are like Abraham. No, so when the Lord stay long, him a go make a way ram. If I never hear on, God wouldn't appear unto me like Moses. Bush burning like Samson, me determined to kill evil with me beer on. God a God from day one. And no man is an island unless them a Cayman. Make me put this in a layman term. If I never Jesus me, that be a layman. See man who carry the children, them in a Canaan. Everybody feel up the Lord Raymond. Him able for wipe all the stain off a Canaan. Him fall rain and make heaven and earth are the first thing me learn in a grade 1. Hey.
Alright, so I did my brows with my face by Shanna. And it's not from Sacha Cosmetics, so I didn't film it. You did, however, see me use this concealer. It's matte caramel. You guys, this thing is full coverage. It's thick, it is nice. I love it. Alright, so now I'm going to go into the Second Skin foundation from Sacha Cosmetics. And it says it's a yellow base, a natural looking foundation that fits like a second skin, provides sheer natural coverage, suitable for all skin types. Follow with Sacha's yellow based face powder for the most sophisticated finish. Now I'm in the color Perfect Spice. Now I'm kind of nervous about this because it says sheer and you know, a full coverage type of girl. So let me see, shake it up if I can, and then apply. Alright, so the brush that I'll be using is my is from my Dipped in Elegance line, and it's currently at Fontana Pharmacy. This angled fluffy brush. Oh, and prior to the foundation, you guys saw me put on the mattifier. I mean, it doesn't leave, you know, it doesn't leave my face as matte as like a Philips Milk of Magnesia would, but I guess that's how it wears throughout the day. This thing, I see, well, it's very red, but this thing is full coverage. Wow. Now my face is very, very red. It is very warm. Well, it is coming off extremely warm on camera, but we can fix that with contouring. But you guys, this is full coverage. Why would I think that it wouldn't be full coverage? I mean, it's Sacha. So I'm going with matte caramel, and I'm going to take this foundation brush from my Poem in Paradise line, which is currently sold out. So, I mean, I know I'm speaking a little bit soft, that's because Jonathan is sleeping. But you guys are seeing this, right? Now, I've never used their Second Skin foundation. I've never used their concealer. So everything that I'm using, everything is about to be first impressions, except the Buttercup. Because you know, Sacha Buttercup is life. Alright, so it looks so good on camera. Whoa. It looks really good on camera, you guys. Well, you guys are seeing this. I'm looking in the viewfinder, and it looks phenomenal on camera. Wow, wow, wow. And the thing is, like, almost everything that I have, or let me not exaggerate, like 90% of the stuff that I got from Sacha, I did not know that they carried. You know what I mean? Like, I did not know that they had stuff like this. So I got my stuff out here in Jamaica at Sacha Cosmetics Jamaica. So you can go on Sacha Cosmetics Jamaica on Instagram and you can shop there, or I'll have a list of all the locations where you can shop at. Rather than me saying Fontana Pharmacy, all 5 locations, your pharmacy, 1 location. Vivian's, Portmore, the Beauty Warehouse, Portmore, you know? Even though I just named a few, but you know what I mean? Instead of naming out everywhere we can buy it, I'll have it linked, not linked, sorry, I'll have it listed in the description bar below so you guys can just peruse And if you're watching from your device, you can actually screenshot it and see where you can purchase. Wow, I love how this looks. So I'm just going to go with my foundation brush that I used before and blend out the edges. Alright, so I'm actually going to be using the Sacha Buttercup in Pressed, and the compact looks like this. Then I'm going with my angled brush, and this is my PS139 from my La Classique Trinity collection, which is also sold out. Alright, it is just as smooth, are you seeing this? And as beautiful as the powder form. And I'm not even digging into it, you guys. I'm just like tapping. And it is pushing right into my skin, you guys. I am loving this right now. This is gorgeous. So I'm going to blend it down some more so I don't have any harsh lines. Wow. I am shook. I am shooketh. I'm going in with the Sacha Perfect Spice foundation powder. Now I am nervous, like this look is looking hella warm. Hopefully, let me see if I can bring it back. Alright, so I'm going to go in with their Pro powder in this color is called Perfect Bronze. I believe this is the darkest color that they have, I believe. And I am actually going to low light with this and see how it looks. Do I want to use this brush for my low light? Okay. This brush is from my Victim Elegance collection again. Currently at Fontana Pharmacy. So pretty. And my skin just looks gorgeous. No, sir. I genuinely love these stuff. Wow. So now I'm going to go in with Perfect Spice, their powder. And I didn't even match, because when I collected these, I had makeup on, so I didn't even match to see what matched me or whatever. I just like, alright, yeah, give me that, I'll make it work. Give me that, I'll make it work. So it just blends. Oh my god, this is pretty, and it's very fine. It's not grainy, it's not gritty. It's they call it finely milled, like, wow. So I'm going to go with some more, tap off in the cover so it can be spread throughout the brush, see that? And I'm just going to go over my low light as well. I mean, overall this thing is lit. And you know what, let me go in with the powder Buttercup, and I am just going to lay down some catch powder as well as do some baking. Alright, so for the eyes I'm going back in with the Buttercup Compact, and I am actually going to be doing my brow bone. So I'm setting my brow bone, and I'm going to go in with a palette that I don't even know if Sacha is going to carry, because it's a demo palette, but I love the colors. I saw them and they immediately spoke to me. So this is the palette. It looks quite simple, quite basic. It actually opens up like this at the side. I've had it opened up like this, but it opened up like that. Opens up like this. but the thing fell out. So these are the colors, no names or nothing, it's just a promo. They may or may not carry it, but I want to use it today for my look. But before I get into that, let me go ahead and take the powder that I used to do my low light, and I'm going in with my, which brush? A BH Cosmetics fluffy brush, this one here, and this color is actually going to go in my crease. So then I'm going to be taking their eyeshadow adhesive. Oh my gosh. It's like liquidy. Oh my god. You guys, I really hope this can show up on camera. The thing is like it legit. You see that? It's wet. You see that? That's crazy. I'm nervous. I hope it doesn't crease. Alright, let's go. ELF professional eyeshadow brush, the one with the white handle. Not bad. It's a little bit chalky. Like I am getting fallout, but this is not a bad yellow. Oh my god, this, I knew I would have loved this palette. I just knew it. I just knew it. I love these colors. They're so pastel-y. Oh my gosh. I knew it. Right, now I'm going to take their black eyeliner. It just says black eyeliner. See, black eyeliner. Yeah. Oh, this is my ELF brush as well. This pink right here. Right in here, so. Alright, so I'm going to line my eyes now with the same pencil, Sacha pencil. I'm loving this look so much. I love how that looks. Alright, so I am going to take their bronzer, and it's called Bedazzled. And yeah, let's go. Oh, it's powdery. Let's see how this looks. Oh yes, ma'am. Oh, I see you, Sacha. I mean, who would have thunk it, huh? I mean, those of you who are accustomed to Sacha are probably like, glad Lyric, you never know about this. I had no idea. So I'm going to take their powder blush in Amber Glow. And I need to go and get a blush brush. And I'm going to use it as my blush brush. Amber Glow. You guys, oh my my god, it's hella pigmented on camera. It's not coming out this pigmented in person. And this glow is just perfect. It's just like the perfect glow. It's not doing too much at all. And the lashes that I'll be wearing are from La Page Trends, and it's in the style Watermelon.
Yeah, all I really know is want it, nothing less.
Gorgeous. I am in love. Okay, so we could do a dark ass lip. So I'm going to be wearing You Only Live Once. You guys, I am in love with this look. It is phenomenal. Sacha Cosmetics, Jamaica, thank you so much. I am in love. I am in love. Look at that, man. That's gorgeous. This is beautiful, you guys. Ain't what you mean, what you mean. Guys, this has turned into a review video that I did not plan on doing, but after my gym session, I am blown away by this product. Hey, eating the chocolate. Careful, don't mess up your hand on your shirt, okay? Blown away. I have not packed my face from morning. I'm just going to pack my face now.
You have a makeup?
Yeah, man.
Okay, big.
Yes.
Mommy.
Yes, Baba. Careful, don't do that. Don't do that. Don't stick out your tongue like that again. You want to see?
Yes,
Soon. Look at my makeup. Fresh. Like I just applied it, and I did not use the setting spray. Suppose I did use the setting spray. This is an impromptu video. I know my background is noise, but it's an impromptu video. I just, Baba, stop doing that. I just want to show you guys what this is looking like, and I am shook, thoroughly shook. Love these. Everything I used gets a complete thumbs up from me. But minus the lips. I mean, the lips needs work because it's fading. But whatever. Foundation, glow, blush, eyeshadow. Yeah, it's amazing. Sacha Cosmetics, JA. You're doing it, bubbles. You're doing it.
Mommy.
Yes.
Big.
Yeah, man. Big, 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 big. Don't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Ooh, these nights are hot.
You call it a hobby, I call it a way of life. No way that you can stop me. You know that I've been training, right? The more you try to block me, the more that I control the fight. And now you on the ropes. Now you on the ropes. What you gon' do? Quitting's not an option. That voice in your head that keeps telling you you got this, lied to you. And now everybody's watching. You should've worked a little.